Hi there, host Ichi Rebel here. I'd like to share my thoughts on something I saw in Facebook. And this is not a pro or anti kind of thing. Sharing lang, thoughts lang. What's going on in my mind. I've seen, marami akong nakikita sa Facebook. So far, Facebook pala. I've seen people being interested in hosting. People asking, paano ba maging host, or ano yung dapat kong gawin, or mahirap ba yan, or I know how to speak, I just need a break lang, a big break to do it on stage. And marami, I've seen that a lot. And this is me just doing real talk, okay? This is not a pro or anti anything. First thing I'd like to mention, every time there's a need or my market, for example, it's a VA, virtual assistants, when it started to boom, ang nangyari, what I saw was a lot of people were offering yung how to become a VA, subscribe ka sa akin, or something more than that. Gusto mo bang kumita? Stuff like that. And nakalagay ron na click here or comment interested. Yeah. So, syempre, yung interesado kumita, na maging VA. We're still talking about VAs right now. We'll talk about the hosting later on. Ang sinasabi ngayon nila, it would be, yeah, interested ako, or I'm interested, and they pay. And then, PM sent. Ayan, PM sent. Trinay ko, syempre. Diba? I was doing freelancing before, and these people may have something to teach, or I may learn something I could add to my repertoire of skill sets. 8 out of 10 different entities, either individuals or group, may bayad. And I'm not saying it's wrong. I am not saying it's wrong na maningil sila. Just to make sure we're on the same page. They have the right to do so because of whatever knowledge or skill that they have. So yun. So, maniningil, and then kung interesado, of course, you have to pay. Some that would offer assistance hanggang makakuha ka ng unang client mo. Others would be, you now have the skills, go out in the world and hanapin mo na yung dream client mo. There you go. And that's what they did in VA. Ang nangyayari ngayon sa hosting, parang nagiging ganun. Where I could see people asking, I want to be a host, I'd like to try it out. And then there would be organizations or individuals who's offering, sige, turuan kita from end to end. Paano yung marketing niya, and then paano yung pricing, and then paano mag-tie up, stuff like that. Paano yung sa fashion mo, pag ikaw mag-host, and stuff like that. All of those. And may registration fee, and yung iba may certificate pa. And that is great. Okay? I'm not against that. It just so happens na meron tayo siguro, again, may mga aspiring hosts who may not have the money to do so. And again, this is not going against do sa naniningil, ha? I want to make sure. Mamaya, bigla marami kumakuha mga comment puro hate. Diba? No bashing, please. Peace tayo. Peace. And there, they don't have the means, wala silang kakayanan noon, but they might have the talent. And doon ako nangihinaya na yun. So with that said, here's what I'm going to share with you guys. If you are aspiring how to be a host or a public speaker, I will not charge you for anything. In fact, I don't feel that I can or I should, given that I don't think of my skills to be parang doon na, taas at level na para maningil, right? So, but here's what I'm going to do. I'll be sharing both on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok videos, wherein I'll be teaching some stuff about projection, about speech, about how to carry yourself on a stage, and stuff like that. Okay? Para doon sa mga walang kaya. I will not, again, as much as possible, I will not talk about pricing. I may talk about what drives pricing, pero I will never ever talk about pricing. Dapat ganito singilin mo. I will not talk about that. Okay? I will not talk about those kind of things. We'll talk about knowledge and skill. That's all we're going to talk about, knowledge and skill. So if you're interested, just, go through the whatever comments, or at least the notes I have there on this video. You could visit my YouTube page, or you could visit my TikTok, or you could, just this channel, yung Itchified, meron din ako isa nun. And then feel free to go through that para and check whether it's something that you feel is helpful or not. Again, this is not against those who are offering certificates. This is not against those people who are asking for payment for services rendered, such as teaching. This is not against that. Okay, I'm just doing this so I could help out those people who may not have the means and paying it forward. So again, this is host Itchy Rebel, inviting you to go ahead and visit my YouTube page, my TikTok page, and even this page, Facebook page, so that you could, learn from what I get to teach, and hopefully you could jump off. That would be a good jumping point or a base point from becoming better in hosting and public speaking. All right. So that's all I have for today or tonight, whatever time it is there, or whatever time you're watching this video right now. But again, host Itchy Rebel, be safe and have fun.